Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Day 4 class. Today we are going to discuss about another type of sum. Here is our question. Past journal entries in the books of Mr. Varun. We are going to write the journal entries in the books of Mr. Varun. At the year 2014 April, he started a business at April 2014. First transaction is here. April 1st commenced business with cash 1 lakh rupees. Here the business commenced with cash. The term commenced means started. The term commenced means started. Here it is a capital amount is 1 lakh. So our entry is 2014 April 1st. Cash is coming to our business. So according to the real account, debit what comes in, credit what goes out. So cash account debtor to capital account. The narration is being business started with cash. How much? The amount is 1 lakh rupees. Second transaction was held on April 2nd. Sold goods to Amir. So here there is no cash transaction. Without mentioning the cash, by mentioning the name, it is not a cash transaction. So April 2nd. There is a sold goods to Amir. So Amir account debtor to sales account. The narration is being goods sold. If the cash has been transacted, here Amir account, instead of Amir account we have to write cash account. So here there is no cash transaction. How much? The amount is 8,000. And next, the next transaction was held on April 4th. Purchase from Rama. Purchase from Rama. Here also there is no cash transaction. It would be a credit transaction. It would be a credit transaction. It is not a cash transaction. Right? April 4. Purchase account debtor to Rama account. If it is a cash transaction, we have to write cash instead of Rama. The narration is being goods purchased on credit. How much? It is 4,000. And next transaction was held on April 6th. Purchased computers and paid by check. Here not a cash. He paid a check instead of cash. So we have to write it as a bank account, not check account. We have to write it as a bank account. So computers account debtor to bank account. The narration is being the computers purchased. How much? The amount is 20,000. And next, what's the next transaction? On April 9th. Varun withdraw cash for his personal use. He withdraw cash for his personal expenses. So it would be written as drawings account. It would be written as drawings account. So Varun drawings account. We are writing the Varun's account, right? Varun drawing account, debtor to cash account. The narration is being cash used for personal expenses. How much? The amount is 5,000. 5,000. And next transaction is held on April 13. Furniture purchased. Here we didn't get any name. Here there is no any name. So it would be a cash transaction. It would be a cash transaction. So here we have to write it as furniture account, debtor to cash account. The narration is being furniture purchased. How much? It is 10,000. And the next transaction was held on April 15. Right? Return goods to Rama. We has given some goods to Rama. We has been returned goods. We didn't use that goods and we has returned that goods. So it would be written as Rama account, debtor to. These are we have purchased here. Purchased. We have returned the purchased goods. Right? So purchase returns account. Rama account, debtor to purchase returns account. The narration is being the goods returned. How much? 500. 500 rupees goods we have returned back to Rama. And our next transaction was held on 18th. Amir returned goods. Here, sold goods to Amir. We have sold the goods to Amir. That goods has been returned for us. So, it would be a sales returns. So, sales returns account, debtor to Amir account. So, the narration is being the goods returns. How much? It is 1,000. And our next transaction was held on 20th April. Right? Advertisement expenses. We have to advertise our business. So, we have some expenses for advertisements. So, that should be written as. So, the narration is being the cash paid in full settlement of the account. advertisement account, debtor to cash account. The narration is being the advertisement expenses paid. How much? It is also 1000 rupees. Right. Our next transaction was held on 23rd. Deposited cash with Syndicate Bank. We have deposited the cash. So the cash is going away from the business. So we have to write Syndicate Bank account, debtor to cash account. The narration is being amount deposited. How much? 3000. And next. The next transaction is on 25th. Goods withdrawn for personal work. Goods withdrawn for personal work. We are writing the books of Mr. Varun. So it would be a Varun's drawing account, debtor purchase account. See here, goods withdrawn for personal work. Here there is a goods. We have purchased goods. So these goods are withdrawn for the personal work. How much it is? 2000 rupees. So the narration is being goods used to personal work. And next, the next transaction was held on April 27. Cash paid to Ramesh rupees 3900. We paid the cash. The business has paid the cash to Ramesh 3900 and discount received 100. We has paid 3900 and has they given the discount 100 rupees. Right? We has paid to Ramesh. So, Ramesh account, debtor to cash account to discount account. So see here, we had paid the cash 3900. 3900. We have to return it as a cash. 3900. And discount received is 100. So how much? The total is 4000. At every time, the debit and credit should be equal. The debit and credit should be equal. So the next transaction was held on 28th. Next transaction on 28th. What is that? Cash received from Ramu rupees 2800 and discount allowed. We has given the discount. So it will be written as cash account, debtor, discount allowed, debtor, much? The cash is 2,800. The discount is 200. So by adding this, it would be 3,000. Right? The narration is being cash received from Ramu after allowing discount. Right? And next transaction was held on 29th, April 29th. Cash withdraw from bank for office use, not for the personal use. It is for the office use. So, cash account, debtor to bank account. If it is personal use, then it will be a drawings account. So, the narration is being cash withdrawn for office use. How much? The amount is 6,000. And the next transaction was held on April 30. Salary is paid by check, not by cash. Salary is paid by check. So it would be a salaries account, debtor to bank account. If it is cash, it would be written as cash account. It will be given as check. So it will be a bank account. So the narration is being salaries paid by check. How much? The amount is 20,000. This is the transactions of Mr. Varun at 2014 April month. Thank you for watching my video. Please like, share and subscribe.